Hello, dear traveler. Before we begin, this video is ad-free throughout, so you can enjoy a calm, uninterrupted experience, making this space feel peaceful and authentic for you. I put lots of love into this channel and every single video I make. If you'd like to support my work, you can tap the thanks button below to leave a small tip or donation. It's a simple way to show appreciation and helps me keep creating relaxing, almost ad-free content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this moment of calm and possibility. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Allow your body to relax and your mind to soften as we embark on a journey filled with color, light, and the magic of dreams coming true. Imagine yourself standing in a vast meadow, wide and open under a brilliant blue sky. The air is warm and soft, carrying the delicate scent of wildflowers. Lavender, jasmine, and sweet honeysuckle. All around you, the meadow ripples gently with tall grass and petals, shimmering in the sunlight like a sea of green and gold. Above you, hundreds of colorful balloons float lazily, drifting slowly in the breeze. Each balloon is unique. Some painted in bright reds and oranges like sunsets. Others in soft pastels of pink, mint, and lilac. Some shimmer with sparkling gold flecks, while others glow softly, as if lit from within. You realize that each balloon holds a dream, a hope, a wish, a vision you have carried quietly in your heart. Some balloons are large and round, full of bold aspirations. Others are small and delicate, filled with gentle longings. They sway and dance in the sky, moving as if guided by an unseen hand toward a distant, magical place. You feel drawn to this sky of dreams. And as you lift your gaze higher, you notice the path the balloons follow. Far beyond the horizon, a glowing land shimmers, vibrant and alive. Place where dreams unfold into reality. Slowly, you reach out your hand and take hold of a balloon closest to you. feels warm and light in your palm, humming softly with the energy of possibility. You breathe in deeply, feeling your own dreams awaken and pulse with life. As you release the balloon, it begins to rise, lifting gently into the air. You watch as it joins the others, floating higher and higher, carried by a steady, gentle breeze that guides them all toward the magical land. You imagine yourself stepping onto a path of soft, glowing stones that appear beneath your feet, leading you closer to that shimmering horizon. With each step, you feel lighter, freer, your heart open and filled with hope. The colors around you grow brighter. The sky deepens to a rich azure, streaked with ribbons of pink and gold. The grass sparkles with dew that catches the sunlight like tiny stars. Flowers bloom with radiant petals in every hue imaginable. Birds with feathers like jewels flit overhead. Their songs weaving through the air like joyful music. The wind carries the laughter of those who have already arrived in this land of fulfilled dreams. A sound full of warmth and celebration. As you continue along the path, you sense your dreams aligning with the energy around you. Doubts and fears fall away like autumn leaves, drifting gently to the ground far behind you. Your heart beats steady and sure, filled with quiet confidence. You arrive at the edge of a beautiful garden where the balloons gently land, bursting softly into showers of light and color. Each burst unfolds into a new beginning. A door opening. A seed sprouting. A hope blossoming. You step forward and feel the magic of this place seep into your being. You realize that your dreams are alive. Growing. moving toward you as surely as the balloons carried them here. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the peace that come from trusting in the unfolding of your path. You are both the dreamer and the creator, holding the power to bring your visions into reality. Take a deep breath, filling yourself with this radiant energy. Know that every dream you hold is precious, vibrant, and real, already on its way to you, carried by the sky itself. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carrying with you the bright, shimmering light of your dreams. Have a wonderful life, dear traveler. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.